Oh, hi! For any of you that missed the video I posted on Wednesday, last weekend we adopted a new little stink. And he has a name now. We decided on Bert. Seems like a good old man name, but also has some whimsy to it because of Bert from Mary Poppins. And actually, I believe it was Sarah W. that suggested Bertie Bott's Every Flavor Beans, like naming him Bert for that. And I love it. So, other than the millions and millions of costume and toy and bed and everything else ideas that I have for this little guy, a lot of which has been suggested by you guys. Like Cheryl, I'm probably later today going to make his little Bertie Bott's Every Flavor Beans bed. It's been a community effort coming up with all the cool shit for this dog, so I'm very thankful to have all of you to help me brainstorm things for him. But yeah, the main thing I need to make this little turkey is, dude needs some motherfucking toothpaste. Oh, his breath is so bad. We're gonna bring him to the vet to get everything checked over again. He does have a health certificate from the shelter. I think that's like a warranty type thing. Like if something happens to him within the first couple days, you can bring it back or something. I wouldn't do that anyway because it's about the dog. It's not about like getting my money's worth, you know? I watched a bunch of videos, made sure anything I'm gonna be using isn't gonna hurt his little tummy or anything else. A lot of the things use coconut oil. That is not something I have here. So the one I watched where it's like an actual vet cleaning a dog's teeth, he just used cinnamon and baking soda and a wet toothbrush. He's yelling at me because I took his toy away that he unstuffed. This is all the shit he pulled out of it and he's mad because I took it away from him. What a stubborn little shit. All right, toothpaste making time. For this, we're gonna need a toothbrush, obviously a clean one and one that you aren't going to use. I can't emphasize that enough. I'm gonna grab a little mixing bowl, and this just said baking soda and cinnamon, a 50-50 mix, and then water so you can wet down the toothbrush. So I'm just gonna use like a ½ teaspoon scoop since this is a test run, but if it works I'll make like a bigger mix of it. Our baking soda. And here's our cinnamon. Just gonna mix it with the back of this. He seems very interested in whatever's happening. Smooth out any lumps. Okay, I said to wet the toothbrush, get off any excess. So I wet it down and then I just like tapped it. I'm gonna dab it. Let's see if he's gonna hate me forever now. Hey little Bert, come here. Your little butt down. Oh, he's doing little stress licks. I'm sorry, but I know. You're gonna be fine. Oh, you hate it, huh? Okay. Oh, we got so spooked. Do you want to just check this out? Oh, you don't even want to look at it now, huh? It's all right. Just like get that thing the fuck away from me. He seems to be trusting me a little more every day, but we've also only had him for a week, so I don't want to like fuck with him too much. I'm trying to help your little teethers, bud. Oh, you hate it. Oh no. That's all right. We'll figure something out. Okay, so obviously that was no good. Poor little guy. I wonder if it's the flavor isn't enticing him at all or it's the actual toothbrush itself. Or some dogs just like can't handle their mouths being touched. Oh good, he found his squeak. So I'm gonna try one other recipe. Try the toothbrush again. If the brush doesn't work, I'm gonna just try like a little cotton pad or something and try to rub it with my fingers and see if that helps. And then if he doesn't like that, then I'm not gonna push it. I'll talk to the vet in a couple weeks and we'll figure something out. It makes me so sad when he does his little nervous licks. Next recipe I'm gonna try. You need bouillon cube. I don't think it matters what kind. So need salt, parsley. I'm sure fresh is better. We just happen to have dried parsley flakes here. Baking soda. That seems to be like the main cleaning ingredient, which makes sense because I know there's like Arm & Hammer toothpaste, which is a baking soda brand. And then just some water to mix it all together. So let's give this one a try. I'm just gonna like mash up the bouillon cube a little bit. 6 tablespoons of baking soda, which seems like a lot. I'm just gonna loosely measure here. ½ teaspoon of salt. Okay, 1 teaspoon of the parsley. It just smells like hay to me. Parsley is not my favorite thing in the world. And then 1 teaspoon of water. That does not seem like enough. I know we're making a paste, but still doesn't seem like enough. Mix all this together. That's what it's turning into. This might be all right. I'm just gonna add like the littlest bit more water. Okay, let's go find the little bean and see if he likes this any better. I feel bad stressing him out. If I can get this to work and make this part of our routine, that would be amazing and will save both of us a lot of stress down the road. All we can do is try, and then either way, he's getting a big greeny treat after this, which also helps with their teeth, so. Yeah, let's give it a go. Oh, are you very interested in this? Good boy. Definitely likes the smell of this more. Do you just hate cinnamon? Were you forced to do the cinnamon challenge as a little baby boy? What do you think? I'll just let you check it out. Oh, he's trying to lay in my lap. I know, I'm too bony. You want that blanket, huh? He's such a little burrower. It's the cutest. You can burrow in there. Are you the best little bean? Good boy. That's progress. That's very good. I'll take this as a step. That's fine. There hasn't been brushing happening, but he seems into whatever this mix is. I didn't ruin the dog forever. I was gonna feel really bad if I made him afraid of toothbrushes for the rest of his life. Do you need to be a little bean burrito? Bean burrito engage. You're the best. Do you want a treat? You guys, I can't handle this dog. We'll get you all fixed up, my bud. That's what I'm here for. All right, I want to give this a go with one of my reusable cotton pads. That's a ticket. Oh, you're the best. Good boy. Yeah. Oh, you're such a good little dude. Yeah, we don't have to do a toothbrush. That's okay. You do your little teeth for this. Okay, I'm gonna let it rest for today, but I'm very excited about this. And it's like a little washable dude. A bunch of things were saying use like cotton balls and stuff, but as I am forever inspired by Ellis Woolly, I'll link to her in the description. She is just such a great activist and is just such an animal lover, so I feel forever indebted to her for putting more good ideas out into the world for how you can make like little small changes in your day-to-day. And she's so talented, so incredibly talented, and she's a fellow puff, so like why wouldn't I love her? All right, I'm gonna go spoil this maniac with lots of snuggles and playing, and I think we're gonna like go try to adventure out on the town later today and check out a coffee shop and some breweries and maybe catch some Pokemon. This should be a good afternoon. He seems to be up for walking around a bunch, but I also have a wagon just in case he needs to get pulled around like Frank did. Thanks for watching this madness and for all your contributions. That is not your toy. I gotta go wrangle a tiny dog, but I will see you all back here with another video on Wednesday. Excuse me, mister. I still don't buy that you're 11. I don't buy it.